WP Sell Services, creating your first service. From the dashboard, a vendor builds a listing through a 6-step wizard. Basic info comes first, a clear service title, and the category buyers will browse. Pricing is where the packages live, up to 3 of them per service. Basic gets a name, a price, a short description, a delivery time, and a revision count. Features are listed 1 per line, and Standard sits underneath at a higher price. Add-ons are extras a buyer can buy alongside the package, like express delivery for $30. The Media tab takes gallery images that showcase the work, dragged into the order you want. A short FAQ answers the questions that would otherwise arrive as messages. Buyer requirements collect the brief up front, as short text, long text, or a file upload. Once it is live, the overview panel tracks orders, rating, reviews, and views. And this is what a buyer sees: the package, what is included, and 1 button to continue. Listed once, sells on repeat.